In Onshape, mate connectors have many uses in part studios as well as in assemblies. Here I am in a part studio. I have a couple parts and I need to create a revolve on the end of this channel. And so I'm going to try to use the sketch that was used to create the channel. It is a circular sketch. Let me go to the Revolve tool, and then I will pick the sketch that I want to use. And I need to select a revolve axis. Well, this is one situation in which you could use a mate connector. I can select the mate connector, and then I can grab the edge that I want. Let me get it oriented the way that I want it to be. But my revolve is not previewing. It is not being created because one of the rules about the sketch for a revolve is that it has to be entirely on one side or the other side of your axis of revolution. Instead of using the sketch, I can use geometry. I could use the actual face from the part. Let me go to the dialog box for the revolve, and I will use the X in order to delete the face. And just to make things easier to select, I'm going to hide that circular sketch. And so for the face that I want to revolve, I will just use this face. And we can see a preview. It is adding material. I want this to remove material, so I will select that instead. And I will leave it as a full revolve. I won't go through the process of changing it to 90 degrees because I am getting what I want. So this is good. Let me hit the check mark in order to complete the feature. And I will do the same thing on the other end where I want to add to a second part. Let's go to create a revolve feature, and I will select the face from this part. And then for my revolve axis, once again, I will create or select a mate connector, and I'll grab this one. And actually, did I get the right one? I think I got the wrong one. Let me cancel out of there and make sure that I am getting the right one. There we go. Let me grab that one. But I'm not getting a preview because the mate connector is oriented incorrectly. So let me click on the little mate connector icon in the field for selecting a mate connector. This will open up the dialog box that will allow me to modify the mate connector. And taking a look at it, I want to revolve around the vertical green axis so that the blue axis is my axis of revolution. So I want to change to rotate about the green Y axis. And let's try a rotation angle of 90 degrees. And so there we see a preview of what's going to be created. I'm going to hit the X to complete the modification of the mate connector. Let's change this from full to one direction. And let me flip the direction that it's going. I can start to drag it out the angle that I want. And let's see, let me see if I can just snap right to 90 degrees. There we go. That is 90 degrees. It is merging to part 2, which is what I want. And so now I will hit the check mark. Now I've got more geometry created in part 2 that I want. And so there is a great use for mate connectors in the Revolve feature. You can use them as your axis of revolution.